Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning, the start of the work week for most of you. Are you enjoying the heat? I saw Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning. We're supposed to be getting back into the 90s in a few days. Yeah, I hope so. All right, last night was Sunday dinner with Robin, and I prepared shrimp pan roast. It's been a learning week getting prepared for the pan roast because I've only had them at the Atlantis casino in Reno, where I got introduced to them by Robin and her brother. Didn't know they originated in Charleston, North Carolina. And never really heard the term low country. Robin and I kind of had a fun discussion about the origins of the pan roast. But the pan roast itself was awesome. I don't use that word very often. Robin now has put the shrimp pan roast on top of all the soups and stews that I prepare. That's how good it is. It's actually, once you have all the ingredients, it's super easy to make. Really, it is. I used the wok, and I'm glad I did. What's beautiful about the wok, it has that nice round, bottom. So all the stuff, all the juices and the cream and so on, they pool in the bottom. It worked out very, very well. The recipe will be coming up. You will see it as a seafood pan roast. I just adapted it to shrimp, completely shrimp. So most excellent, awesome, really, really good. All right. Tonight, the culinary expedition continues. Today and tonight, we're going to be in Pakistan. Now, one of the beauties of going to Pakistan, it is the cuisine is very similar to India. They share a spice palette, and all of that good stuff. But they have their own ways of doing things. So I'm actually doing two dishes from Pakistan, or two Pakistani style. One is Aloo Palak, which is a spinach and potato curry. And I'm doing the Pakistani style Kali Dal, which basically means brown dal or black dal. I had to do some research on this because I got one recipe that that doesn't look right because of ingredients. All right, so let's get to it. Hardware is real simple. I'm going to use the Dutch oven for the potato dish and my medium saucepan for the dal. All right, I had to break the ingredients into like three sections. For the potato dish, we got potatoes, obviously, spinach, obviously. I'm using baby spinach, not full-blown, adult spinach. Onion. I'm going to use serrano pepper. I might kick it up to Thai. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking not. Fenugreek, and this will be a diced tomato when I'm done with it. Now this is what it is on its own, which gets combined because these ingredients here: the ginger, the garlic, the cumin seed, the coriander powder, and the turmeric, the ghee, and the salt. I'll get to the red stuff in a second. Are all common between both of them. Now, one of the things I ordered last week in anticipation for tonight is Kashmiri mirch, which basically is a Kashmiri red pepper powder. Did some research, found out that lal mirch, which is Indian, and Kashmiri mirch are not the same thing, and they're not good substitutes from each other. So for the rest of the dal, obviously black dal, onion, and water. So here's all the goodies and software for tonight's Pakistani meal. Now I could serve either or both of these with rice or naan or roti. I haven't decided which I'm going to. I have leftover rice from last night. If it's not too dried out, I'll probably do the rice, especially with the dal. I've been looking forward to this one. I haven't had black dal in a while. I love it. Yum. All right, so on this Monday, stay hydrated, stay cool, and stay indoors if you can in the AC, because it's supposed to be 103 today here in Sutter County, California. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.